We're making salsa verde today. I've already done some pre-prep. I've got some tomatillos. I've already pulled the husk off of them, and they have a sticky sap, so you need to rinse them off in the sink and wash them off. And before you roast them, take out the stem core sections with your knife like this. And now we'll put them in the oven and roast them for about 10-15 minutes. Now I'm going to put a little avocado oil because it's high heat and it won't burn at 400 degrees oven temperature. Just get them a little bit coated. It helps transmit heat and get the skins roasted. The oven just hit 400 degrees. So now I'm going to put the tomatillos in. And we're going to set the timer for 15 minutes and roast them. It's been 15 minutes, my alarm went off. Oh yeah. Tomatillos are sizzling, they look good. Brought my roasted tomatillos out. They're nice and gloopy. Got 2 cloves of garlic, about 10-12 sprigs of cilantro, and 1 onion. You can use white or yellow, quartered. And we're going to be usually use Serrano pepper for green salsa or salsa verde, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use jalapenos. I got the onion, cilantro, garlic, tomatillos, and jalapenos in there. We're going to add about a teaspoon of sea salt, and we're going to pulse blend it. It's come together well. Now you gotta taste it and adjust seasoning. That's pretty good. Could use a little more heat for my taste, but other people don't like it. I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is. That's a good, tasty salsa. Well, we're gonna pour it into the bowl here. That is some beautiful, creamy green salsa. Now, this will stay good in the refrigerator about 3 days, but you can also bag it up and freeze it. It'll stay good for months. And just thaw it out when you need it. That's it, everybody. Salsa verde, green salsa.